What is up, everybody? In today's video I am going to be restoring the 6th gen Accord headlights. This is the headlight restoration kit. I got it off AutoZone. Grid paper, 2000. And I also have another 3M 800. These are just different levels depending on how you want to do it. So first things first, I'm just gonna run this down with one of these pads on the surface real quick. This 800 3M grid paper. Look at that. Nasty. Nasty. Now this is 2000. A little bit more intense. I think it looks better. What do you think? Alright, so as you can see, this one, it doesn't look that perfect, but you can see it makes a big difference. Look at that side. Hit it for the one time. Yo, that thing is still yellow. Now look at this one. Like I said, not the perfect job, but big difference. Now they look much better. Now, all that's left is the coating. Look at that, barely any left, but okay.
On to the next one.
This is, I'm so overbiting. I need a freaking scissors. Yeah, get them shots, bro. Get them shots. Don't be afraid. Okay? Now, see how much dirt we can get out of this one, huh? I bet this is gonna be dirtier. This side was the first headlight, and this is gonna be the second part. See how this one gets. I need a little more though.
Starting a little more cleaner now.
Already?
Already.
No way. Put your arm into Yeah. Dude, seeing this makes me see like all the scratches on the side. Ah, this car needs work. This car needs work. Just a little bit more, but this time I'm just gonna apply that much. So I'm just gonna do that. Okay. Get this 800. Okay, last but not least, we have the headlight coating. I'm gonna talk to you how you want to be spoken to, son, so you can comprehend. This thing smells so good. I can't describe this. It smells like a fruity soda. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys used this before. No, sir. These were yellow. Yellow. Like I said, not the best job. I'm pretty sure I could have done a better job with the one gun, that machine that everybody uses, but I didn't have that. I just had the little kit by itself with the little pads. Headlights are clean, looking way better. Dusty. I felt like saving them or restoring them was the best option for me. Don't get me wrong, later on I'll probably change my mind and get some more headlights, but for the meanwhile, like, they're pretty straight. Trust me, these headlights were nasty, like they were yellow, and this is a big difference. Huge difference. Fix this, but that's not the point. The point are the headlights. Yeah, if you guys like this video or if it was helpful in any way, give it a thumbs up. But yeah, guess that wraps it up for today's video. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. No way. No way. Water on it. Wow.